I think this is filming. Doesn't look all that. Yeah, it's the red light. Yeah, in a little greenhouse, and I've got my cheeky prince and crown prince and salmon river squashes growing. I'll show you them over here what they're like. There they are. And I think this one here is cheeky prince, and that was on the 15th of the 4th, 2 months old. And that's what it's like. I'll soon have to be putting them out. And this one here is the crown prince. Crown prince, I had 3 of them, but this is the only one left, and it's not all that good looking compared to the cheeky prince. And I think that's the biggest one there, of the cheeky prince. So those will have to go out. And that's the cheeky prince as well. It's beginning to get little flowers on there. And then this one here is the salmon river from Dale Calder. So they'll have to be going out. So those are the squashes that I have, and I'll show you my tomatoes as well. I'll put these back in here. Hold on. There we go. That's them. Yeah, my tomatoes are down here, and it looks like I have some flowers coming on there. And this is called Pyrus. You see that? And it's a beef, a large beef tomato. That's another one there. They're about 70 centimeters at the moment, and growing well. I've also got one of these Avoma curcus growing in here, coming up the string. And at the opposite side I have this one here, which is called Orange Queen, and so far I don't see, oh there it is, it's the first truss of flowers beginning to come out. And this is my favourite tomato that I grew last year, which is this Gourmande, the ox heart tomato. It was a little bit worse of the wear, and I was a bit concerned that it wasn't going to grow, but it's taken off. And here we have a cucumber, a real greenhouse cucumber, and it's beginning to grow as well. And the ones that I grew from seed myself, this is called Quando, and it's supposed to be a square tomato from Germany. And this one here was from Rob Bob in Australia. You can see that's the temperature. It's almost up at 30 in the greenhouse at the moment. This is a dwarf tomato I got from Rob Bob. It's some strange name which I can't remember, but It's one of those dwarf varieties. And this here was an Italian heirloom that I got from Kevin Bradley. So I don't know if I'm ever going to get anything from those, but that's it. And up on these pots here, yesterday I planted Saranova lettuces. I think there's 7 in there and 4 in there. One is a Frisella type and the other one's an oak leaf. So that's it from the greenhouse and from the garden, with the cucumbers and tomatoes and squashes. Oh boy, for now. Avoma Gherkins growing here in one of these cloth pots, and I've got it growing up a trellis. I've got 6 of them growing here. That one, I put this old CD stand in front of that because it was all droopy. I've got 3 more over there. Look at these flowers. These are dwarf lupins. They're beginning to put out tendrils. They're holding on to the wire. So I'm going to train them up so they don't get damaged by slugs. So that's my Gherkins, or in Finland they're called Avoma Gherkins, growing in these pots, which I think they're called air wicking pots, cloth pots. The roots, they go to the edge and then they die off, and then you get more branching. So that's them. I like these flowers, some sort of daisy.